Hi guys, in this video I will show you where to buy PayPal gift cards. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your web browser. You can do it in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar of it you will have to type paypal.com/us/gifts. Once you have done that, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see a bunch of different popular gift cards, and you can even find your gift cards as per the category given on the top. So among these gift cards, you just have to select the one that you want to purchase. After selecting it, you will be redirected on the next page where you are going to see a bunch of different information relating to that gift card. Now over here you will be able to see this section where you need to provide the amount of gift card that you want to purchase. After that, you will have to select whether you want to purchase this gift card as a gift or you are purchasing it for yourself. So if you are purchasing it for yourself, then you will have to select this is for me, and then you will have to click on the add to cart button in the bottom. But if you are selecting the option of this is a gift, then you need to provide the recipient's email address, their name and personal message. After that, you will have to click on add to cart in the bottom. Now once you have added the gift card in your cart, you will be able to see this type of pop-up in the bottom where you just have to do nothing but to just click on this checkout button. This will redirect you on this review page where you can review the details relating to the gift card that you have selected previously. Now over here, you just have to scroll down again and you simply need to click on this buy now button. After that, you just have to conclude your payment and then you will be able to easily purchase gift cards from PayPal. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.